Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive on your iPad. Since BeamNG Drive is a PC-exclusive title, it isn't directly available on Apple's iPad operating system. However, you can still enjoy this dynamic soft-body physics simulator through two main methods: cloud gaming services or by streaming it directly from your own gaming computer. Both options require a strong and reliable internet connection for the best performance. Let's explore these exciting possibilities. Cloud gaming services like NVIDIA GeForce now offer a fantastic way to play BeamNG Drive on your iPad. These services run the game on powerful remote servers and stream the video to your device. You'll need to own the game on a platform like Steam and then link it to your cloud gaming account. For optimal performance, a stable internet connection of at least 50 megabits per second is highly recommended, ensuring smooth gameplay and minimal latency. Another excellent option is remote play, using an application like Steam Link. This method allows you to stream BeamNG Drive directly from your personal computer to your iPad. First, install the Steam Link app on your iPad and ensure Steam is running on your PC. Both devices must be connected to the same local network. Enable Steam Remote Play in your computer settings, then pair a Bluetooth controller to your iPad for an authentic gaming feel. To get the best BeamNG Drive experience on your iPad, optimize your setup. Always use a strong, stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to minimize lag. A Bluetooth gamepad is highly recommended for precise control, as touch controls can be challenging for this type of game. Consider lowering the in-game graphics settings on your PC or within the cloud service to achieve smoother frame rates. Finally, close any unnecessary applications running in the background on both your iPad and computer.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.